So, here we are in Suzhou and Wei, China, and we're about to go meet Stephanie Ning, our host for the evening, for the weekend. She's going to show us around. Andy, how you feeling? You got a lot of sleep on the train there.
I'm feeling pretty good.
Feeling pretty good?
A little bit hungry.
A little bit hungry. I'm feeling muncherific myself. So that was pretty loud.
That was super loud.
Train ripping by at 300 kilometers an hour. Beautiful station.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day here in Anhui. Absolutely beautiful. So we're, looks like our friend Stephanie is right over here. Somewhere. My ticket's in the bag. Andy, do you have your ticket?
No, I think I lost my ticket.
He thinks he lost his ticket.
I think I kept it in the pocket.
Oh! Right. Here you go.
哦，没有，对不起。
他们一起的。You got a ticket?
No,
No.
no.
But you have.
We'll keep walking.
It's certainly a beautiful day here.
Gorgeous.
That is a crazy tank of a police vehicle. It looks much sturdier than the golf cart vehicles you see in Shanghai. Is there something going down here? Because there's all these police officers and everything around.
Actually, I don't know. Not pick up.